Hey there, fellow adventurers! Today we're stepping into DocoDoco, a magical indoor rainforest with a beautiful scenery inspired by nature's wonders, right here in Hong Kong. Ready to explore enchanted forests, sparkling waterfalls, and sandy shores? Let's get this video started! First up, frog and butterfly catching. We tiptoed to the frog pond, a peaceful spot with frogs hopping everywhere and butterflies fluttering like they are playing hide and seek. With my explorer goggles on, I scanned every corner, looking for frogs blending into the water lilies. It felt like a real jungle treasure hunt as we were searching for these cute creatures. Can you see any hiding right now? Next, we plunged deeper into the jungle. Weaving through tangled vines and balancing on wooden logs. Can you pretend to balance like me? Then, we crossed a giant white spider net high above the ground and ducked under low branches. Each step testing our explorer skills. Soon, we found a tougher path, the single string walk. One thin rope stretched across the net, and every step felt like tightrope walking. Holding my breath with excitement and a little fear, I carefully made it across and slid down the fireman's pole. Would you dare to cross? Give me a thumbs up if you would. Our final challenge? Climbing to the top of the net maze before zooming down a steep slide. What a wild ride! Then, we dashed over to DocoDoco's signature waterfall slide, where fairy tales and jungle adventurers come to life. We climbed the stairs, feeling the cool rush of a real waterfall without getting wet, then whooshed down the magical slide again and again. With every climb, the roar of the falls surrounded us, and the rhythm of the nature pulled us deeper into the adventure. It's a heart-pounding, immersive thrill. All the fun of a waterfall, but completely dry. After all that sliding, we needed to cool off. And that's when we found one of DocoDoco's wildest spots, the mud play zone. That's where giant elephants were ready for a muddy bath. With a scoop of digital mud, we smeared it all over our animal buddies while dodging their cheeky splashes. Playtime got even more magical as we grabbed special flashlight pens and started drawing on the trees around us. Every stroke of light made shapes appear like fireflies sparkling across the forest. It felt like painting with moonlight. Our glowing drawings shimmered briefly before fading away, waiting for the next burst of imagination. It's like stepping into a secret jungle where only light can tell the story. After all the jungle thrills, we met the Boo Boo Genies, mystical mushroom beings from the heart of DocoDoco's enchanted forest. They invited us into their digital kitchen, where we helped cook up magical recipes. We chopped meat, vegetables, stirred a bubbling pot of curry which filled the air with warm, inviting aromas. The genies were eager taste testers. Their eyes sparkled with excitement as they dug into every flavorful bite. Would you try magical mushroom curry? Give me a thumbs up if yes. Come cook some fish with us before continuing our journey. Yeah.
睇到好好食啊！煮好啦，
撒落個碟度咧，
可以食未？
我撒。
With the genie's magic still lingering in the air, we followed a trail of shimmering shells and soft ocean sound, and it led us to DocoDoco's very own beach. The moment we stepped in, it felt like a digital beach escape. Soft sand under our feet, the sound of ocean waves, and the salty breeze in the air. What would you do first? Build a sandcastle or dig for treasure? We grabbed some shovels and started digging around to see what treasures we could find. The beach was the perfect place to recharge before diving back into the adventure. Just off to the side, we found a quiet corner to explore something a little different. Here we found an investigator's guidebook, teaching us how to explore like real nature detectives. As we flipped through the pages, we learned more about the facts of the island and its inhabitants, including a group of genies that appear as playful mushrooms. Then came the coolest part. We held up a special color-tinted sheet and spotted hidden creatures and scenes from the forest began to appear on the walls. What do you see hiding in the forest? Each color reveals something new. It felt like unlocking a hidden jungle story, one layer at a time. This peaceful little area reminded us how much beauty is hiding in the small details, if you take the time to really look. It was the perfect way to end our adventure. Quiet, thoughtful, and full of hidden magic. And that's a wrap on our day at DocoDoco. A jungle adventure like no other, right here in Hong Kong. If you had fun exploring with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing adventures from around the world. What was your favorite part of DocoDoco? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. See you soon!